with it true. You know, I don't understand why them jerk shot small amount of chicken, you know, and so much people come at the drive-in. I'm going to have to go speak to management about it.
Then how this a movie it takes so long to start?
Any minute now, man. Any minute now. You know, I have a sneaky suspicion that I'm not going to enjoy this movie. So wait. Instead of the two of us going to sit down quiet and stiff for the whole night like two effigy.
So why you not say something?
Then you say something now?
About what?
About anything.
Like what?
Tell me about your love life.
That is personal.
Tell me, Faye, what sort of man excites you?
He must be kind. I hate a mean man. And he must be good looking.
You want me to tell you what kind of woman me like?
What kind of woman you like?
A woman with a small appetite. A theatre craving woman.
It's me you calling craver?
Me never call anybody name, you know. If you fling stone in a half pen, the one that squeal is him it licked.
Me not crave now, me not crave.
Shh! Fear! What do you think you is?
Me not crave.
Market?
He is the first man to come call me crave, you know, me not crave.
Fear! Why are you making so much noise? You don't say what for people watching us.
You know what is true, Mr. Oliver? Better come call me home, you know.
When?
No.
Your head I take you. Listen, that's $40 me if you have to come in this movie, you know. So if you want guy, you can go on. But right now, me not leave until the show finish.
If I didn't know, I would have walked with my handbag, you know.
Look, Faye, we's here already. So we might as well try and enjoy the movie. What do you say?
Well, since we're here already. But only if you apologize for calling me craven.
You? Craven? No, dear. I wasn't talking about you. I was talking generally.
Okay, let us try and enjoy the movie.
Me's not a mean man, you know, Faye. Everybody say how me kind. Most of my friend them. You kind too?
You see me, Oliver, a man can get anything from me as long as he's generous.
What you say want again? Chicken breast?
Don't bother, don't you say none that around there.
During intermission, maybe go to the street, go buy it for you, you know.
It's all right, don't bother.
So you come to drive-in movies regular?
Then I must, Oliver. But see, what a stupid question. I don't look like a civilized girl.
But you were just asking, you know, because, you know, somehow...
Don't have mercy, power cut. Oliver, put on the top. Quick.
Why?
Before the looting starts.
No, fear. It's not a power cut. It's turn off the light to show the show.
I forget. It's going to start.
Yes, fear.
Anyway, Oliver, still put up your top because you know how these looters are. They just use any opportunity to start the looting.
Fear, you don't have to worry about outside looters because I plan to do a little looting right here, so yeah.
What do you mean?
No. Watch the movie. Yes. It's the funniest advertisement I've ever seen in a long time.
Oliver, look how much drink this stone now.
It's drinking funny, do I? I Lord, me I tell you, if you enjoy the advertisement so much, I can't enjoy the movies. Why?
Wait, Oliver.
Eh?
Why the seat back going back?
Just to make your little more comfortable there.
Straighten back the seat back.
Is that right for you, man?
Sure, man, straighten back the seat back. I want the seat back straight. Sure. Listen, what type of girl you think me is, eh?
Well, me never think about it. But me say you seem to be a nice, lovely girl.
Listen to me now. You think me is one of them girl who you can take to the movie and do as you like with?
We have make up so much nicer for you, eh? What you mean? Me just recline the seat back, man. It's my cousin car, you know. Listen to me, like, come, no, it's alright, man. Just come into the car, man.
Listen, just because you give me the one pack of dry up banana chips and the little insipid taste bad drink, you think that give you the right to manhandle me?
But you're going on as though this is attempted murder. Sure, just pay attention to the screen, man. The movie soon starts.
Michael Sweetwood, Peter Laws, Peggy Fields, Paul Lee, Brenda Biggs, in a Michael's apartment production.
Hi, Faye. Me can read it for myself, you know.
I wasn't reading it for you.
It sounds like you're reading it for the entire amount of people that never get to see the movie.
I'm reading it for myself.
Well, read it in your mind, no fear.
It's a habit to have, you know. It's so I love to read aloud. Your mind?
No. Not really. Whatever you enjoy.
And introducing as Gwangu, Ian Hamilton, producer Keith Bryce, based on the novel by Karen Smith, executive producer Roy Robinson, directed by Mike Walters. Oliver, move your hand.
Right, see more writing them and it a pass.
Oliver, move your hand. Not that one, the other one.
Why?
Because I don't like people to crowd me up, man.
Crowd? It's basic crowd. No, just it to in a car.
Oliver, just move your hand, no, man. What you up to, eh?
I'm not up to anything. Sure. Look here, no, man. You know, for one them way there, I'm not up to anything, man.
You're up to something because you just hugging me up,
Look,
so.
man,
Why you have to hug me up? What you up to?
I'm not up to anything. Sure. Me, I just feel comfortable on the back of the seat back, man.
Put it in your pocket.
No, man. Me, I feel uncomfortable in my pocket.
Put it in your lap, no, man.
It feel ugly in my lap.
For the last time, move your hand.
Hey, you know what the saying go? Devil find work for idle hands.
Well, the doctor going to find a cast for yours if you don't move it. Thank you. Now let us watch the movie like two civilized people. Isn't that what we come here for?
Speak for yourself.
That's not what you come here for.
Right now is that same question I asking myself. What I come here for?
Well, please allow me to watch the movie.
But no more writing not coming on until the end of the show, you know. We have 2 hours in which to socialize.
If you wanted to socialize, you should go to a club. I come here to watch the movie.
And full your belly.
Huh? Huh?
Last year, man. Stop it nice with the banana chips bag now.
It's kind of pain. You can't handle it any quieter.
Well, put it down, man. You're disturbing me.
If you never want me to eat it, why you buy it give me?
A bite give you to eat. Not for you on the back to be having a concert. Take all the chips quieter, no, man.
If I was eating jerk chicken, it would make any sound.